If cash is reward for the pockets, recognition is that reward for the heart.
100 we just can't stop.
Works love made visible. Organizations across 9 countries and 4 continents. The blended learning,
Team engagement and
our podcast to be called Hello World. Talk about habits of excellence, hustling in this VUCA world, entrepreneurship, lessons in running and managing a business, leading people, creating that vision, communicating effectively, have that right attitude, right mindset, the right outlook, no matter what happens around us in life. Great work. Apart from strengthening your connections or relationship with your teammates, it's also important to give them customized recognition. And this is the feel good, the reward for the heart. If cash is reward for the pockets, recognition is that reward for the heart. And we'll use the PEG acronym here. PEG stands for 3 things that you can use to keep your employees firmly planted in the organization. As these pegs, when they're firmly planted on the ground, they also support the stability of the entire tent or entire structure. And while these pegs are important, praise and encouragement and gratitude are important pre-COVID, during COVID, and when we go back to the new normal, there are really timeless principles that we can use. Finding ways of really making feel value. What's your specific praise there? Making sure that when people don't meet expectations, what's that push in terms of that encouraging statement? And making people feel that you are noticing even the small things. Being able to adopt the habit of saying thank you. How are you infusing PEG in your conversations with your people? That a great leader who will score best in recognition is that leader who's able to converse with people, with a person, with a teammate, and have praise and encouragement and gratitude all rolled into one 30-minute, 15, 20-minute conversation. This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.